Hello. So I just want to do a quick tutorial on how to make comments on your blog post. Right here, right now, I just have it on the main page of my blog, but I also have made it just for each individual blog. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So pretty much I went to the Quadro website and I was able to go to projects websites, search comments. I was able to find all these different types of apps that you could use. I decided to use Utterance, which was really cool. The reason why is definitely the theme. Since I'm not very good at HTML or CSS, I was like, this is the easy way out just to be able to make sure it fits with the theme that I'm already using in Quadro. So once I did that, you go to the website for Utterance, which is a Git configuration. So you download the app. Once you download the app, you can kind of look at everything and you can kind of see what kind of color scheme you want, which is really cool. There's a lot of documentation you can use and you can try it all out. So it's pretty cool. Once you do that, you'll configure it, download it. You'll choose like what user you're gonna do, and then pick the repository, which I did already, main Git. Once you do that, I just go back to my repositories and then I go to my main Git. Once I do that, then you want to go to settings. After settings, you want to scroll down to discussions and you want to just click on discussions. This allows discussions on your Git repository. That's really cool. So once I do that, I go back here, I copy this, and I'll show you right here on my main Git. And so on my main Yelm, I put, if you want it on your front page, you put it on the front page after website, make sure that it's cascade correctly, or else you'll get an error. I realized that it didn't go to my blog. So I was like, oh, what can I do? And so what I did was I went to this is where all my files are. And then I went to my post and my welcome post and I opened that up. And then I put it in the chunk space where just the title, the author, the name, categories, and I put it down below comments. And then I chose my theme. So this is how I did it. And then once I rendered all of that and then pushed it onto my Git, I was able to not only have it for my front page as a tester, but also for my blog post. The cool thing about Utterance and maybe other ones is that you have to have a Git, which I kind of like just because I'm using this for professional purposes. And I feel like most people that are professional in data do use Git. So I think it's beneficial to have it kind of geared towards that for myself and not just the common user. It's a bias, but I think that for me, at least, this site is very good for comments. Please explore and let me know if you found a different way to make it be on each blog post and not have to do it manually. That would be awesome. I just haven't configured that. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions, let me know. Or if you learned something new, let me know.